Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a diagonal clove hitch knot as seen here. To do this knot, it's really nice if you can to go ahead and build a foundation with square knots like I've done here to kind of act as your guide when you're knotting. You can do it in completely open space as well. It's just a little bit more difficult. So if you're trying this knot for the first time, I would recommend creating an upside down triangle like I've done here with square knots to knot along when you're trying it. So to begin, I'm going to show you how to start from the left. You'll take your left outermost cord and you will angle it in towards the right side. I'm going to hold this piece with my right hand, and then I'm going to take the piece of cord, the next piece of cord right behind it, and you'll see I'm angling this over top of all of these pieces. And I'm going to take this piece of cord and I'm going to bring it up to the piece in my right hand, making a U shape. And then I'm going to pull that piece over and through my U there. And then I'm going to hold this with my right hand and tighten with my left hand. And I want to tighten it right up against this row that I've already done. So that's half of my diagonal clove hitch. To complete a full diagonal clove hitch, you're going to do the exact same thing again. So I'm taking the piece in my left hand. If I need to, I can drop this from my right while I pull this over to make my U shape. And then I'm going to pull this over and through my U and then tighten it. So you're always going to go twice like that. So then I'm going to continue to my next piece. Take it, U, pull it through and tighten. And once again, and I'll go ahead and continue to do that as I go all the way down my line here. Great. So now I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to do this one too really quick. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing but from the right side. It's the exact same thing, it's just reversed. So I'm going to take my right piece over here, I'm angling it towards the left. Then I'm going to take my next piece down and I'm going to bring it up to this piece, which we call our filler cord because it's filling in the center right here. This is coming from the center, so it's our filler cord. So I'm going to take my next piece, bring it up to my filler cord. I'm making my U, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull this guy through and then tighten, and then again up to make my U, pull it through the center here and tighten. And I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'll do a little slower on this one. All the way down. U and then tighten. And then again, you'll notice when I'm bringing this one up here, I can, if I need to, I can let go of that and then grab it when I make my U and then bring it through from behind. Now, if you are making two diagonal rows like this that are going to meet in the center, you do have the option of joining them together like I did in the center here. Right now they're two separate rows, but I can join them together in the middle. To do that, you can really do it from either side. I like to always take the right side and cross it over the left to make an X here. And then I'm going to take my left filler cord, and that's going to become my working cord to go around my right filler cord. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to do just the same thing I did here. Bring it up to make a U, pull that through and tighten. And then one more time. And there we go. And you can make as many of these rows as you like and bring them together. It's really a cool effect to add to your pieces. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.